Huh. 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 I think I found the problem.
Alright, what's up YouTube? My name is Larry and I'm coming back at y'all with the same type of video, but it's a different day because it's a different problem on a different day. But yeah, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, press the like button, press the subscribe button, and drop a comment and leave a like. I said that already, but that's not the point. So probably 2 days ago, I posted a video of me trying to do a top speed run off on camera, but off camera, because it was this little, yeah, and my engine light started blinking. So within the next 12 hours, I tried to do another pull because I thought it fixed the problem. I changed the spark plug, and basically that wasn't the problem, because now when I go close to 80, 85, between 85 and 90 for, I want to say, a good 2-3 miles, my engine light started blinking again. So in my opinion, I feel like my car is losing spark somewhere. And with that being said, I'm finna go to my dad's house because he got my tools. If he didn't have my tools, I'd do it right now. And basically pull all the spark plugs out and see if the spark plugs are either one broken and replace the broken ones, and try to go do another pull. Because you break, repair, retry, and you just repeat the whole process. You just break it, fix it, and break it again. But yeah, so I'm probably gonna spit on I'm not even about to say that, but yeah, if you're new to my channel, press the like button, drop a comment, press the subscribe button, and we both about to figure out this problem together. So let me go to my dad's house. Okay, the sun really feels great. Let me fix, oh, okay, yeah, boom. So the sun really feels great, and I made it to my dad's house, and basically, I'm gonna put on my GoPro and give y'all the little heads up display, the POV footage, whatever y'all wanna call it. But I gotta wait for my car to cool down. I ain't driving hard or nothing, but yeah, I gotta wait for the car to cool down so I can really just get under the hood and pop all the spark plug wires off, and I see the mic going all the way to the red. But yeah, GoPro footage.
All right, so I only need 1 tool, and where you at? Cause I was using you last night. Let me take you out, cause I'm gonna use you later. But yeah, so as of right now, got the GoPro going. Let me touch the header to see if it's still hot. Oh, that's not hot, but I kind of think it's this cylinder right here. Because the spark plug thing inside is broken off. Let me change my song. Won't rob myself, won't rob myself. With these headers, ain't no space, no room for it. Well, there's room for improvement, but at the same time, it's like, there's no room to there's no room for fuck ups, basically. So basically, you got to do the job right. So basically, I can't explain shit right now, because when I be focused on something, I'm focused on that one thing, which is a good thing. So right now, I'm focused on pulling all the spark plugs out, because if I don't find no errors in the spark plugs, obviously there's no spark plug error. So it's my fucking wires, and basically you can't buy wires one by one. You got to buy them by a set, which is a smart thing to make money, but to me it's stupid, because I'm probably gonna only need one wire, because I'm not finding no errors on the spark plugs. They do need to be changed, but they still got a few thousand miles on them. My biggest fear is actually, I'm not gonna say this one out, but I do have one fear of pulling all these spark plugs out, but so far so good. So my biggest fear as of pulling the spark plugs out, this is the side I have the problems on, is I ain't gonna say it yet until I'm done pulling all the spark plugs out. I'm just happy I got some type of knowledge on cars and stuff, because when the situation happened, I didn't freak out at all. I was just like, okay, boom, happened more than once, didn't freak out at all. Was just like, okay, I need to get this fixed. Shit, next time y'all look under my hood, I might have a different intake, just saying. I know I'm on my car, dang. Look. Cars, how you know about cars? One thing, I took an automotive program in high school. I just didn't like, I like working on my own cars versus working on other people's cars, because I got a fear of messing other cars up. I'm comfortable with messing my stuff up because I know with me messing my car up, I could just go back and fix it. Such as if I'm changing the spark plug and basically I got a misfire, just go back and change the spark plugs. Of course I could do that with somebody else's car. I just know doing it with somebody else's car, it'll cost me, versus doing it with my car, it won't cost me as much. So yep, it's time for me to order some new spark plugs, but I'm gonna throw these right back in because I think I found the problem.
Oh crap. So basically I found the problem. The problem was the spark plug wire. I ordered some because nobody in Texas, Houston, nobody in Houston had any, and this dog want attention. Nobody in Houston had any, so they should be here Thursday. And basically when they come, y'all see a video of me putting them in, and hopefully that'll fix the problem, and I'm gonna do a pull. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, press the subscribe button, leave a like, drop a comment, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Must be nice.